So a happy December 30th to everyone. This is going to be my first setup video. I kind of forgot to start pre-recording, but I'm in the process of doing a 125 shot rack. I've got tape going, interlocking in between the tubes here and here and here and here. I'm going to do the same thing going through here, 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 and here. Just use packing tape, and they really won't go anywhere once they're in place. They kind of won't go anywhere now, and they only have one layer in there. I like to give it another layer because stuff's going to be burning on it. I'll give you a show of what it does look like when it is completely done. This is a 25 shot rack. Well, board really. Got the tape going in between both, so it goes up and across. And I mean, they're not going anywhere. Maybe these corner ones might be a little loose, but they're not going nowhere. I would have the milk crates, but I kind of required some yesterday, and I'm just not going to have time to do a milk crate rack like I really want to. So it'll be the board method for the final last hoorah of 2021. And it's going to be a wet one, as you can tell. It's very wet now, and it's supposed to be even wetter tomorrow, so we'll see. All of this is going to be done up mostly canister shells. Well, I'm sorry, this board is actually going to be ball shells and canister shells, ranging from the 5-inch. I do have the growlers sitting here. I just picked those up recently. I do have more mortars that I am going to mix in with those as well. Not all of the growlers are going to get shot off. I do have a lot more than that. This one's going to be mainly just big cans. I've got some barrel bombs, some chroma shells, the 2019 brand from Red Apple. That's mostly what's going to be this one. Then the other one's just going to be a hodgepodge of ball shells and some willow shells that I've got. And that pretty much completes it for that. I'll try to leave it going and see me kind of set it up a little bit, see how it goes. Most of this is all one take, so. Keep all of my tubes inside of these tub bins. Also double as great workbenches. Alright, well, now I've got more tubes. I figure I would start moving it in. This year's show is going to be a little different because I'm actually going to be using my Ignite firing system that I just got. Very excited to use that. And we're going to test it out in the rain. Should be fun. And I am going to go to extra measures to make sure that the system actually functions in the rain before going and shooting with it, as well as covering it in a plastic baggie of sorts. So that's pretty much what I'll do. I'll put some last layer here. I'll give her a real good shake, make sure everything's secure. All the tape is taped down properly, nice and stuck. kind of do it so much, it's an easy method at this point.